Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add entry document to the Austrian application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the More button down below in the right side corner and click on the third button, Entry Documents. Here you can add your vaccination certificate by tapping on the Add Certificate button. After that, tap on Scan or QR Code or Scan QR Code button down below, and then you should allow the application to have access to your camera, and then you will be able to scan the QR code of your documents. So click on OK. Scan it, and then it will be added to this section, so it will be at hand with you anytime you need it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.